Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Vedic Mathematics. Today I am going to show you a very simple and powerful trick to find the square of any number that ends with 5. Let's start with a simple example. Suppose we want to find the square of 65. First, write the square of 5, which is 25. Now take 6 and the number after 6 is 7. Multiply them. So 6 into 7 equal to 42. So 65 square equal to 4225. Let's try another example with 85. First, write the square of 5, which is 25. Now take 8. The next number after 8 is 9. Multiply them. So 85 square equal to 7225. This trick works for any number ending with 5, making squaring super fast and easy. Thanks for watching.